We start our day at the Polynesian, catching the monorail to the Magic Kingdom. Colorado Family Travels, welcome to day 6, I think. Let's head to Tron. We are back at it again. Yesterday was a very kind of relaxing day. Didn't do a whole lot. Animal Kingdom, hung out with our great friends last night, and then just got back to the hotel room kind of late. Passed out. So today we've got some stuff at Magic Kingdom. Is a rainstorm coming in around 1 o'clock, so we'll probably disappear after that. Then doing again some stuff off-site with another one of our local friends, and then heading to Epcot for extra magic hours maybe tonight. So we'll see how it goes.
Do you want to sit?
Heading into the Magic Kingdom. It is a gray, cloudy day. Don't mind the cloud cover. We'll see if it does hold out till 1. It is currently 10 o'clock. The park has been open for an hour regular time and an hour and a half early magic. So we'll see how the wait times go. Emily is so mission orientated. We're heading to Tron. There's a stage show going on at the castle. We're not even looking at it. All the characters up there hanging out, singing songs. We're just walking. Jack wants to say something, I think.
Like and subscribe to Colorado Family Travels and hit the bell button to be notified on our latest video.
That's my hype, man. We're hurrying because Tron we thought was coming up. They're on group 29. We're group 33. So we're going to go hit Buzz Lightyear because it says it's a 15-minute wait. So go ahead and spend some time on Buzz.
Stanley conducting more trouble in Sector 9. No doubt it's the work of that nefarious criminal, the sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance, the evil Emperor Zurg.
Alright, that 15-minute wait was a lock on. So I'll put the camera away and go for a Galactic Hero.
In a minute and 35 seconds.
A minute and 35 seconds. And we are here. Not even in the last room yet. I got it. Yay! I didn't think I was going to get it because I missed a couple of the big ones early, but I got it. Yay! Yay! I love being a Galactic Hero. It means I can stop playing. Flashy, flashy, yay! 999999999999999. Galactic Hero. Look what I got. Love it. Now, I'm not a pro. I just watch YouTube videos. I know where to go. But yay, got my Galactic Hero. Woo! Galactic Hero. Galactic Hero. Okay, fine. I'll let it go. We still have a little time, so we're going to hop on the TTA. She says we're up to number 31, group 31 out of 33. A couple are going to ride. Jen and Jordan are riding. The rest of us will just watch and walk through on Tron, but we're going to hop on TTA for now. Another wonderful ride on the TTA. It's cool flying around above the park because we were able to see that Stitch came out to meet and greet. So see Stitch over in the corner. Oh, he's over there. Also, while on TTA, we did get the notice that our group had been called for Tron. We have 1 hour from the time our group got called. So we're gonna go and try to do Speedway. Take a quick walk around on Speedway. Walk? Drive. Drive around on Speedway. Speedway is listed as a 20-minute wait. There's no way it's a 20-minute wait. Did you have a good time driving, Jack?
My foot hurts from the vibrations of the cart, but other than that, good.
That works, buddy. All right, anticipation is over. We are heading to Tron. All right, we are walking up to Tron Lightcycle Run, sponsored by Enterprise, presented by Enterprise. They are on group 28 through 40, lightning lane of 11 o'clock, 11:02. This is my first time walking up this path. Jennifer has been here a couple times. I have not. I won't be riding either, but definitely be watching. Try to get back out here so I can record, but we'll see if I can make it or not.
TRON Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark. Users be warned, the Lightcycle Run makes sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your Lightcycle at all times. Keep restraints securely fastened. Supervise young teen users at all times.
Watch the screen.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Team Blue.
Hey, Dad.
Welcome to TRON Lightcycle Run, the ultimate competition on the grid. Before proceeding to the sync chamber, all members of Team Blue must prepare. All users must secure large items, including backpacks, purses, and hats, in the locker portal before entering the grid. Lockers are just ahead. To open a locker portal, tap your digital key to the illuminated activation button.
Yes.
Please be considerate of other users and only use locker
Why my
space
sinuses
under
are clear
parking
now?
requirements. Remember your unit number. When the gate opens, follow your path on the floor. If you assign the bar vehicle, you must walk behind the light cycle. Remove phones, glasses, and other items that may fall off, and secure them in the storage area between the handlebar. To synchronize with your light cycle, kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. TRON Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark, making sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your light cycle at all times. Remember to kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. Supervise young Team Blue users at
All right, Jordan, I got you in slow-mo. What'd you think of the ride?
It was really fun for what it was, but it was way too short.
But all in all, good
It
experience
was
though.
really fun, yeah.
Yeah, was it a little crazy coming up and over the outside bump, or?
Not really.
Yeah.
Like initially, the first launch, that's really the one thing that was like suspenseful, I guess. Because like inside it's dark, but like there's a bunch of blue light and stuff, so you can see everything that happens.
Yeah. Very cool.
I have your picture.
I wasn't on it. I'm the photographer. We are just outside of Starlight Café, Cosmic Rays, and there is the Encanto meet and greet, open from 9 to 4:45. Los Madrigals. Nice little line here. We are going to do Jasmine's icon picture. Just behind the castle, we got the Tiny World photo. So throw that in there, and now we're gonna go, I think, meet the sisters, I think is what we're doing. Nope, we're not. So the parade just came by, so Frontierland is a little cleared out now. The parade is gone. We are heading over to Pirates. And then I think it's lunch at Pecos Bills. I'm looking forward to it because we have not eaten yet today, and unfortunately, I'm getting hungry. And it is 12:17.
Oh my god.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
I promise it's so fun.
Key to the treasure room. Easy, boy. Here I be, a-holding the treasure map and the key as well. What I...
Rather foolish someone leaving so much gold just lying about hidden away. Some history.
Really good lunch, picking up the orange chicken from Tortuga Tavern, and then nachos from Pecos. Eating inside in the AC. It's really nice. Getting the free water. We're going to hit up Emporium, buy a couple things, go over to Confectionery, buy a couple things, head over to the Contemporary, buy a couple things, then back to the hotel to rest, relax, maybe pool time, we'll see. I want a nap. I'm tired. Definitely want to go take a nap. And then we'll see what happens tonight. Plan is to possibly hit Epcot, but we'll see. Having fun so far. One of Jen's favorite stores, the old Christmas shop. Shh, don't approach.
Children in the wild.
Yes.
All right, after whirlwind of hanging out with some friends, went to the outlet mall, hit the Disney store, got some good stuff there, but didn't record. We're back at the resort. We're at the Polynesian, and it is just in time for the fireworks. The kids, I took everything in the room. Everyone's at the beach watching the fireworks. What I love about the Poly, as you can tell, they've piped in the music for Magic Kingdom fireworks. So, heading to find the kids. Fireworks over there somewhere. Hey, look! At the beach at the Polynesian. That's worth it. Got some people sitting on their balconies watching from their rooms.
Coming next time on Colorado Family Travels.
Thanks, Jack. After that amazing day at Magic Kingdom, we head over to Disney's Hollywood Studios. We spend the morning hanging out on Toy Story Midway Mania. Then we run into some friends that we haven't seen in a long time. End the day just hanging out over by Tower of Terror, enjoying the day at Hollywood Studios. Thank you for watching, everybody. Now for us, back to the rat race.